everyone, it's only me going on a solo camping excursion. Left the wife behind. It's about 7 degrees outside. Plenty of beer in the fridge. some food as well, not too much obviously. There should be an opportunity for fire. It's one of these campsites which gives you the ability to go and collect your own wood. So I've got a chainsaw in the van with me. Admittedly, it is a battery-powered Black & Decker house wrecker chainsaw. We're starting the day off, or at least we're starting the journey down lovely sunny weather. But it is predicted to get quite wet. I brought the gazebo with me as well. So it's a winter camping experience in England. And we're just getting here. And guess what? It's raining. Some lovely little country roads. Ooh. And the roads get smaller. And here we are, Ashbourne Woods. And here we are, all set up for the night. Bottle of monkey shoulder, some bagels, pots and pans, everything's ready to go. Pop top up, heater, ooh, electric oil filled radiator in the front. And just behind us, woods. So here we are, putting up big fat hairy tarp. We've got the gazebo up, and we've got Big Bertha all set up and ready to go. Big Bertha's been modified now. She's got a grill on her so you can put sausages on her. So we wanted to get the tarp up nice and high, and Ollie's climbing the tree. Ollie's climbing the tree. There you go, that'll do it, mate. I don't know if you can see where he is. Anyway, Ollie's up the tree. Bless his cotton socks. He is quite a way up. Whoa. You all right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, you're still a good 5 foot off the ground, mate.
My foot's stuck. He's not going to have a rest.
Your foot's stuck in the tree. Hey, I tell you what, mate. Don't let the wind blow. That could crush your heel or something, couldn't it?
That's the point.
Get your foot out, quick. I'm loving this.
You got a chainsaw, we can always cut the tree down.
What, my leg?
We got a chainsaw, we can cut your leg off, yeah. Would you like us to shout abuse at you? Hang on, I'm too busy videoing. Bit of leverage.
I don't know how this... No?
There we go, look at that, teamwork.
Bear Grylls eat your heart.
That's quite interesting, isn't it? He is out. He's out. Absolutely amazing. Well done. Tell you, we should have booked a hotel. And there's Big Bertha. She's going to get lit any moment. And there's our hobo hotel. We've ruined a beautiful forest, but don't worry, we leave it as we find it. So when we're done, there won't be any burnt patches on the ground or anything like that. And all of our rubbish will be taken with us.
Oh, is it?
There we go. The fire is lit.
Oh, blowtorch. Ah, just...
You brought a blowtorch. Well done, mate. just killed that fire, haven't you? This is Ollie.
Oh.
And Ollie is eating, what is that, Ollie? Sausages. Sausages.
Sausages with Stilton.
Sausages and Stilton and a headlamp. And then on the fire, or around the fire on the grill mesh, some wood. You need to keep that nice and warm. Stilton in bagels. And like some sort of kind of like almost McDonald's style muffin. Can you believe, can you Adam and Eve it, Matthew burnt his pie on the stove. And day 2 of camping. It's raining plenty. Oh, time for a nice cup of tea. Need milk. Hello, fridge. Hello, fridge in a van. How are you? Oh, I do love fridge in a van. And a proper cup of tea. Oh, proper cup of milk. All right. Nice cup of tea. Oh, that's good. Got a little burger on the stove here. Nicely stuck now to the bottom of this stove. There, I fixed it and spattered grease down my top. Still, I'm covered in mud and water anyway, so it doesn't matter. As long as I don't get grease on the bedclothes in the van, otherwise the wife will go mad. Yeah, so just gonna have a little burger, a cup of tea, and then go and join the boys out in the rain. They're processing wood still. Trying to make sure that there's plenty of wood for the fire this evening. Anyway, check out this burger. And ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. Rain has finally stopped play. In the words of Cartman, screw you guys, I'm going home. I've had just about enough of that. The rain hasn't stopped and just has continued to just soak things through. The boys have decided they're going to do another night. Fair play to them. Another night of roughing it. I'm going to go home and have a nice hot shower and lie next to my lovely warm wife in a lovely warm bed. Anyway, as always, thanks ever so much for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful week and weekend. Give us a good old thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay. Cheers and beers, people. Bye for now.